It's Joe Zikas from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Oak Park, one of the most convenient, fun neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland. I'm at the Oak Park City Apartments, which has been inspired, as you can see, by Frank Lloyd Wright. And I'm headed inside for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in Unit 336, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, with a lofted bedroom. Stairway and coat closet are off to the left as you enter. And you're noticing the 2-story space before you turn around to look at the kitchen. It's a Galley style kitchen with granite counters, honey-colored cabinetry. There's wood plank flooring that continues throughout the first floor. Built-in microwave and dishwasher, of course. Track lighting in the kitchen. A large living dining space. With windows up in a clear-story transom. There's a pass-through and breakfast bar from the kitchen. And the third floor here is in the treetops. Lots of space here, lots of flexibility in how you could lay it out. And you're seeing the open lofted bedroom up above. As you approach the bedroom, there's a linen closet right outside the full bath. Vanity counter has a pork chop for additional storage on the ledge. There's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet and clean, fresh-looking fixtures. Second bedroom has a walk-in closet and plenty of space to lay out really any size bed and additional furniture. Let's head upstairs. You're just a short half block from bars, restaurants, shops in downtown Oak Park here. Close to Oak Park River Forest High School, if that's important to you. And this lofted bedroom space would also make a great home office. It's got a view down over the living dining area. If you're entertaining and use this space as an office, it will keep everyone in the party. They're going to love being up here. Second bath also has a linen closet and finishes that are identical to the first bath. Downtown Oak Park is one of the most fun, convenient, livable, transit-friendly neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland. And you really should put Oak Park City Apartments on your must-visit list if you're looking to live in downtown Oak Park. Oak Park City Apartments has a welcoming lobby with a fireplace and a variety of comfortable seating areas. There's a 24-hour resident lounge and business center with Wi-Fi and a 24-hour fitness room with cardio and strength training equipment. The building has underground parking and an on-site car wash. Oak Park City Apartments is a pet-friendly complex. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.